Most people enjoy eating. I haven't met anyone who doesn't like it. I'm lucky to be French because France is known worldwide for its great food. French cooking style is used in different places. I like all kinds of food, not just one. I enjoy being surprised by something special to eat. But I don't want to eat very strange things, like a goat's head or cow's eyes. People have different tastes. Something might be gross in one place, but delicious in another. Some foods don't look appetizing, but they taste great when you eat them. Sometimes I think about being a vegan because it's good for nature, and I love animals. But I don't think I can give up cheese and meat, especially fish and seafood. In my opinion, the only disadvantage of food is that you can gain weight. But I would rather be fat and happy than thin and sad.